Hello everyone, we are back with another video of learning practical cybersecurity. In the previous video, we have learned about how we can, what are the major tools which we need to download in our PC or laptop in order to start practically learning cybersecurity. So I have told some tools in the previous video. If you haven't watched lecture one, you can go and watch, and after watching you can continue through this lecture two. So in this video I am going to show you step two of practically learning cybersecurity, and this is one of the best website to learn a cybersecurity practically. So yes, I am talking about the website name Tryhackme. The website name Tryhackme. Let me take you through that website. I will also attach the link in the description, and you can check here. Let me search Tryhackme. Here you can see that you need to search Tryhackme. You will get this interface. I will also attach the link in the description. Don't worry about that. Click on this Tryhackme, and it will redirect you at this page. And what you need to do, you need to just simply click on join for free, and let me show you. And you need to enter your username, email and password in order to sign up. As I have already signed up for this website, so I'm going to take you at that page which you get after signing up. This is official website of Tryhackme. As you can see that I have already enrolled and learning some new things. So what you need to do, you will get this interface. Here you can see your profile. Here you can see your profile. Here each and every detail about your profile. The one thing, the important thing which you need to consider is try to use OpenVPN before using this site. Okay, it will secure your connection, and it is illegal to use. It is legal to use. It is legitimate site to learn cybersecurity. So as you can see that I have also connected the VPN. So what you need to do after signing up, you will get this interface. Here you can see the dashboard. On the dashboard you will see the courses which you have enrolled in, and here you can see the learn section in which you can learn, practice and search. Here you can see the complete section in which you will see all the courses which you have which you have completed here, keeping at the website. This website has two plans. One is premium and one is free. I recommend you to use free plan. As a beginner, you must use free plan. Do not invest money as a beginner. You can invest money when you will be intermediate or at an advanced level, but do not invest money as a beginner. So the most interesting thing about this website, like I'm gonna show you this. If this opens it again, and you can see that I have completed the task. This website will teach you practical hacking, how you can hack some website. This will teach you practical tutorial, each and everything practically. Let me take you through this, and you can see that uh, it will teach you something like what is offensive security. Then it will ask some questions from you. You need to answer that question. Then you will be redirected to task 2, which is hacking your first machine. This is very interesting because reading theory will make you bored or something, uninterested in something, but doing practical things will keep your interest alive, and you start enjoying that particular skill, learning that skill. So we will click on this. Here you can see that here at Tryhackme, we use virtual machine to create simulated environments that serve as practical complements to Rome. As I have already completed the task, but for this video, I will also open this again. You need to click on this. Click on the start machine button below. In this room, we have prepared a fake bank application called Fake Bank. that you can safely hack. To start this machine, click on the start machine button below. They are saying that they have a portfolio, they have created a fake bank application which is called fake bank that you can safely hack. So you need to do a demo. Click on start machine. Here you can see that starting your machine. Please wait. And machine has started. It will take some time. It is loading. Let me take you here. Here you can see that title, what you need to hack the machine you are going to hack, is the information of that machine, its title, its targeted IP address will be shown in 40 seconds, and it will be expired within 1 hour. So what you need to do here is you can see all the instructions, like your screen should be split in half, half this, and then if you don't see one shown above, use the show split view. You can see show split view here if you haven't seen these split machine in your PC or laptop. So your first hack, what you need to do, all the instructions here. Let's take a look at the instructions. What you need to do, a terminal, open a terminal. What is terminal? We don't know about terminal. Yes, terminal is, here you can see the picture. They have pointed out the terminal here. You need to click on this. You can say that we are not able to see where it is. Yes, it will show here, it will appear here once it's completed. You need to click on the terminal, and after clicking on the terminal you need to type this command. To begin, type the following command in the terminal to find potentially hidden pages on fake bank's website using GoBuster, a command line security application. So what you need to do, after opening the terminal, you need to paste this command at the terminal. And if you don't know about the terminal, I have already told you while we were learning Kali Linux in the previous video how we can use terminal, and we have installed Wireshark and Nmap by using that terminal, and we have practiced a lot in the previous video in that terminal. So understanding terminal should not be difficult for you. Here you can see that we have this interface of that website which we are going to hack. So the first step is to open the terminal. Here you can see that we have this. You need to click on this. Terminal is opened. So you need to copy this code, and for copying you don't need to click Control C. You need to click Control Shift and C. Control Shift and C. And for pasting you need to click Control Shift and V. I hope so you are getting my point. Yes. So for copying you need to click Control Shift and C, and for pasting you need to click Control Shift and V. So here you can see that, let me take it here. You can see that congratulations, you hacked the bank. Congratulations, you hacked the bank. As you can see that I have successfully hacked the bank. Now third step will be hack the bank. I need to search this bank transfer. You can see all the details here. You need to go on that website, fake bank, and you need to add this bank transfer in front of that row. What you need to do, close the terminal and close the terminal and come here at this website. Yes, this website. I think we should yes, this website. Here you can see what you need to do. You need to paste this which you have copied and click enter. As I have already completed this task, so yes, I have already completed this task. I'm gonna open terminal again. Here you can see that they are saying that I have successfully, congratulations, you hacked the bank, and I have successfully got $767.8 in my bank account. This is a simple step, as I have done it already. I have completed the task already. I'm going to show you what you will see at the page. What you need to do after completing two steps, you need to type this, copying this, and type here, as I have typed earlier. You will see the interface in which you will get a kind of portal. In that portal, your mission is, you need to read this detail. Your mission is to transfer $2,000 from bank account. You need to enter bank account 2276, bank account code 2276. You will see a portal in which you will see three three boxes. In one box, you need to enter bank account from where you are getting you are hacking money. You need to enter that code 2276, and you need a bank account in which you want to send this money. You will enter the code 8881, and which amount of money you want to send, you need to enter 2000 USD dollars. Okay, after clicking on this, it will show you you have successfully hacked the bank and the money is successfully transferred in your bank account. So here you can see I have already completed the answer. You need to complete the answer. Here you can see the instruction above your account balance. You should now see a message indicating the answer to this question. Can you find the answer you need? This answer you will find after successfully transacting money in your bank account, and you need to write that answer here, and ultimately it will say either your answer is correct or wrong, as my answer was correct. So I have completed this. So you need to complete this, and once the exercise is completed, you need to come here and you need to click on this terminate, and it will terminate the machine successfully. Okay, so the task is completed. We have successfully hacked one bank and we have successfully got 2000 USD dollars in our account. As keep in mind, this is a sample exercise. Here you can see that we have targeted this. So we have done our first hack. I was telling you about Tryhackme. So you need, here you can see the website here. You need to come on the website. Yes. So here, this is one of the best website I've ever explored, because learning cybersecurity means, which fascinates me, is we need to do practical things more than learning about theory. Yes, theory is important. You can learn about 10% basics about basic terms of cybersecurity, but the most important thing, you need to work practically. And I am live. I am in my live classes showing you practically how you can be a master in cybersecurity. So we have completed our lecture 2 by learning about Tryhackme. This is one of the best website for learning cybersecurity. Here you can see the dashboard. Here you can the learn option. You can also learn. Click on this. You will see the roadmap, premium roadmap or free roadmap, cybersecurity basic, then fundamental skills. You will see each and every roadmap to your learning journey in learning cybersecurity. So here you can see that you can see each and everything. If you want to upgrade to premium, you can also upgrade to premium, but I will never recommend you to upgrade to premium if you are a beginner. If you are at intermediate or advanced level, you can upgrade to premium, don't worry. So next will be practice. If you have learned some skill and you want to practice, you can practice your skills here. Yes, you can practice your skills here. This is very much feasible. This is very good website for anyone who want to learn practical cyber security. Here you can see that we have a lot of options, but as at the beginner level, what we need to do is, I already told you in the video. Here I am going to say the rule. The rule number 1: if you are a beginner learning for something at a beginner level, keep your learning at beginner level. Don't try to poke your nose in advanced level matters. Just stick to your beginner journey. Once you have completed your beginner journey, then you can successfully promote to intermediate journey, and after completing intermediate journey you can successfully go to the advanced level. So for this time, at a beginner level, you need to get this information. So this is all about today's video. Today's is lecture 2 of learning practical cybersecurity, and we have completed this lecture 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you think you learned something new in this video, you can click on the like button. If you have some suggestions, you can comment your suggestions. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can click on the subscribe button, because your appreciations would mean a lot for me. We'll meet in the next video. See you. Bye bye.